Create an Azure Resource Group. Azure Resources are the foundation to everything when building bots using bot service, including your bots in AtBot. A resource group is basically a bucket for organizing Azure resources like VMs, web apps, and databases. They also happen to be necessary for creating a bot, a Lewis app, and a QnA Maker knowledge base to start. Before you do anything with custom AtBots, you'll have to create an Azure resource group to organize your Azure resources that will make your bots and their features work. You can create as many as you want. Maybe one for each bot, or one for all of your bots. One for each person who needs to create bots. It's totally your call. You'll need access to Azure to create your resource group. This is one of the few times you'll need direct Azure access when working with bots in AtBot. So let's get started. To create an Azure resource group, you'll want to open the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Log in with your administrator account, and you'll see this home screen. Click Resource Groups or search for it in the search bar at top. If you've never created a resource group before, you'll see none listed, but you will have options for creating one. Click the Add button and select the Azure subscription you want to use. In this case, I only have one. Give the resource group a name. I'm going to put all my AtBot work in this group, so I'll just call it AtBot. And select the data center you want. This is a judgment call on your part. If you're concerned about where your data resides, you'll want to look into this before you choose. For my case, I'm going to use East US for everything. You can click Next to add tags to your group, which helps organize things a bit, but I'm going to skip that for now. You can read into how tags help you if you'd like. Instead, I'm going to fast track by clicking Review and Create, confirm what I entered, and click Create. It'll take a moment for my resource group to deploy, but once it's deployed, you can access it by clicking Go to Resource Group in the notification that pops up. This brings me to my resource group, which is currently empty. But don't worry, we have plenty of good stuff to store there in the near future.